This is our King's fridge, dual zone fridge. We've got the fridge on 8 degrees, which is a bit higher than what we wanted, and the freezer on -14. On Eco, we've got it on 240 volts. Now, the temperature here is about 13 degrees during the day. It gets to about 3 or 4 degrees at night. Freezer working well. Fridge, however, different story. Everything is frozen solid, and you can see there's ice all around the edge. Milk is completely frozen, butter, can't use it, eggs completely frozen. In fact, they've split the eggs. Everything's completely frozen. Why is this?